Hey guys, I've already posted a couple videos on this project. I just want to give you a complete from the start to the kind of middle. We're getting close to completion on this first phase of it. We got the decking in, the through flow decking in, seawall's in, the paver's going in, getting the decking all screwed off. Got the through flow decking that I'm walking on right here and the wear deck on the side there. The through flow decking allows the water to shoot up through the decking as opposed to tearing the decking off. Got some sawing going on right now. Help prevent or prolong the life of this dock. Thanks, Todd. Got right in the middle of my cut. Here's a couple shots of the job when we first pulled up. You can see the seawall's a little too low. Tieback system's failing. The water's washing over the seawall, eroding all the pavers underneath the pool. We're going to get this taken care of. Pulling the vinyl sheets out now. Appear to be about 12 foot long. The sheets are really still in good shape, but just they weren't installed properly. The tieback system is corroded away. So we've had to pull this out and go back with a new wall. Foot vinyl sheet piling. Watch your head. Watch your head, Braxton. Do that. Go ahead and re-lag that one. Yeah, putting that lag in it. says 193 plus 80. A lot of wall in here. Got all our tieback rods installed, deadman pilings in place. Most of the drag plates on, we're still putting some on. Once we get them all taken care of, then we'll start driving all the pilings down and tighten the rods up. We completed the seawall, got the rock pulled up. Now we're running strings and getting pilings set for the boardwalk and the little platform they got hanging over here. Actually, it's not too little, it's 14 by 14, good size. Put some anti-pull-out blocks on our 8-foot pilings here. Keep them from being pulled up during the storm surge. Give it a little bit of holding power.
Yeah, I know. I make my camera does the same thing.
Yeah, it is. I'm good. I know. Nice sweeping top cap there. All the pilings are installed. Starting to install the through flow graded decking over top of the cantilever portion here. That'll allow the storm surge and waves that hit the seawall to shoot up through the decking without ripping the decking off. On the inside, we're going with a wear deck decking that matches pretty close to the same color as the graded through flow decking. We're doing that to prevent any weeds and grass from going up through the decking. Down through there, it's going to be 8 foot wide all the way down. We'll have 4 foot through flow graded decking, hard to say, hanging over the water, and then the wear deck on the inside. Got some piling set down there for a future boat lift. We got the top cap installed on this curved seawall right here. You can see the nice curves to it. It turned out looking really, really good. Really?
It looks like it. Got a spiral on it.
Project turned out looking real good. Got the pavers all reinstalled back up to the seawall. Nice little sitting deck and a boardwalk. Going all the way down, looks real good. Brought in a little bit of white sand also to make everything look pretty. We're still working on getting that completed. Hey guys, appreciate y'all checking out my video and the comments you leave. Hopefully I get all your questions answered. Getting this project wrapped up now, so if you would, if you hadn't already, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share it if you do like it. I appreciate that. We're moving on to the next project now where we got to tear out a 250-foot dock. There's some poles there. It's kind of been hurricane damage. We're going to get that pulled out and get it put back in and hopefully get that all completed here real quick and start moving back around to the Gulf Reef proper.